Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 30,136 miles. It is powered by the reliable 3.0 six-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This Estima is four-wheel drive. It does come with two front doors, two rear sliding doors, and one rear hatch as well. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. Y'all can see those those lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. All right, now the numbers up here, 48,499. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 30,136. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.